Hello, welcome to a new video from Maatwielen. Unlike my other videos, this video will not be about a wheel or wheels, but about a city bike I converted into an electric one using a do-it-yourself kit with a front hub motor. I took some pictures during the project, which I will now show you, and I will provide some commentary on them. Now, before buying such a do-it-yourself kit, you should make sure that it fits. If it doesn't, you might spend 500 or 600 euros and hours of work for nothing. So send the seller some pictures, ask him questions, and if the seller doesn't respond, go to another seller. In general, I would say that it's not very easy to convert a normal city bike into an electric one. You definitely need some skill and resolve. For example, you need to know how to remove a crank and how to deal with issues that require a creative solution. But if you're confident and motivated, you can do it. Here is the bike with the old carrier. The front wheel with the so-called roller brake hub. Here you can see the new rack with battery holder. I've removed the left crank and I've mounted a new wheel with a front hub motor. The cable should exit the hub downwards, otherwise water could enter the hub. Here I've mounted a plastic disc with 5 magnets onto the bottom bracket axle. There's a sensor next to it. The motor will only offer support when the sensor detects movement of the cranks. Usually the sensor and disc are mounted on the other side, inside the chain guard, where they would be protected, but this was not possible. I've connected the wiring. Here is the controller, here the display. I also replaced the old left brake lever, visible here, by the one that came with the kit, which, when activated, interrupts the power supply to the motor. To protect the plastic disc, I made a thin wooden disc of the same size. Fortunately, there was enough room to do this. After testing, it took some time to make everything look as tidy as possible. Summing up the most important points: 1. Before buying the kit, make absolutely sure that it fits. 2. Make sure you have the necessary skills, tools, motivation and resolve. And 3. Think about your responsibilities if you are going to convert someone else's bike. Thank you for watching.